So we arrived in Provo at the Starbucks, and there are the girls. I hope they're gonna get me something too here. Why are we here? Well, let's look behind me. I don't know if we can see that thing. Ah, maybe over there. See this? Volvo and Starbucks. Let's go out there. So we are here at the first Starbucks that has DC fast chargers, and Starbucks did partner with Volvo to create a corridor to travel from Seattle to Denver, and you can charge at Starbucks doing so. So that's why these chargers here, they say Volvo and Starbucks on them. They look like 50 kilowatt units. I don't think they're powered up yet, unfortunately. They look stark there. Looks like they got a Cha-de-Mo on them and a CCS. And there's a total of 4 units here. These are ChargePoint units, as you can see at the very top. And they're kind of cool. These here, they actually swing out. So that's pretty darn cool here. So yeah, unfortunately they're not powered up yet, and this one was just iced by somebody. Luckily it was not in use yet, or can be used. Yeah, they're all shut down still, and on PlugShare they actually still show under construction, so it's too bad. But yeah, there is 4 of them here. That's pretty cool. So you can get your Starbucks fix and charge up out here. And so I guess we'll see more of those. This is the first one in existence as far as I know, and I wanted to be the first one to charge, but I guess that ain't happening since they're not powered up yet. That's too bad, but they're looking pretty cool. So we're just getting a drink from Starbucks here or something, and then I guess we'll keep on cruising. We got plenty of charge at the last charger, since these freaking DC fast chargers are too fast and are pushing us hard. So we just wanted to make this little detour to see those Starbucks Volvo chargers here. So yes, but it's pretty cool. I like that Starbucks partners here with Volvo and does that. These are not high power units, but as we just found out here, the last 2 charging stops, the super high power units, I mean even the 150 on the last charging stop was too fast for us. We didn't even make it across the street to get a couple sandwiches and back before it was way up there already, and we could already have left. So I don't know, I have very little concerns for traveling. If you got over 250 miles EPA rated range on a car, you can freaking make it. I mean, it's really not that bad. And well, if you have there's Tesla superchargers that we skipped. There's a bunch of other CCS chargers that we skipped. Many of the CCS are only like 50 kilowatts like these here, so you may be a little slower there, but if you have a Bolt that only charges slow anyway, it doesn't matter. So the unit doesn't have to be faster. I had to cut it there because I just been blabbing on about the trip that we were on at that time, which was the 900-mile trip in one day from western Montana to southern Utah. Link up here and down below. If you haven't seen that yet, go watch that. It's a pretty cool trip. Yeah, these partnerships are really great. There's others out there like Bank of America, I believe, partnered with EVgo to install DC fast chargers at BofA locations. Pretty cool. Here in Montana, Town Pump, which is a gas station that has convenience stores and casinos all in the same location. They're installing ChargePoint chargers, and actually we did visit the one in Kalispell, Montana, and you should go see the video about it because it's interesting what happened there. Link up here and down below. So, now the question is, are there other partnerships out there? I don't know. There may be more. Do you know? Is there any local to your area where a group puts in, or a chain puts in, all kinds of DC fast chargers or something? So please comment down below. It would be interesting for everybody to know what's going on out there. And that is it for today. Please go check out our Redbubble store where we have t-shirts and other stuff inspired by electric transportation and renewable energy. And also give us a thumbs up for this video. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video, which most likely will be the trip to Las Vegas, Nevada. The town of lost wages or something. In any event, thank you for watching. Goodbye.